Ever find yourself staring at the ceiling at 2 in the morning? Your mind replaying every conversation you had that day and every to-do list item you didn't finish? You're exhausted, but your brain didn't get the memo. You're not alone. About 1 in 3 adults struggle with regular insomnia, according to the CDC. But here's the good news. Improving your sleep doesn't have to start with a pill or a gadget. It starts with a simple, personal pre-sleep routine, one that helps your body and brain power down safely and naturally. Let's take a look at the 5 methods and start sleeping better tonight. Number 1, understanding what sleep really does. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's active recovery. Your brain runs a powerful cleanup system called the glymphatic system. The job of this system is to clear out wastes and toxins that build up while you're awake. You can think of this as the dishwasher for your brain. This system works best during deep sleep, which means quality of sleep matters as much or maybe even more than quantity. When we shortchange sleep, the cleaning of the brain is reduced. In addition, stress hormones like cortisol stay elevated, inflammation increases, and memory and mood take a hit. One landmark study in Nature Neuroscience found that even a single night of poor sleep can reduce emotional regulation by up to 60%. If you're trying to be calm, focused, and healthy, quality sleep is a non-negotiable. Or number 2, we can identify and reduce common sleep barriers. The modern world can set us up to fail, at least when it comes to our sleep. Artificial light after sunset tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, delaying that important melatonin release. Scrolling your phone or answering just one more email keeps your fight or flight system on high alert. If we add caffeine to the mix, it can make sleeping way more challenging. Most sleep experts recommend stopping caffeine intake at least 6 to 8 hours before going to bed. This will reduce the chances of it blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter needed for sleepiness. In addition, alcohol, late meals, and unpredicted schedules create the perfect storm for restless nights. But here's the empowering part. You can change any of these barriers to sleep. You just need to try some strategies. 3, build a calming pre-sleep routine. Think of your body like a plane landing. You don't drop straight from 35,000 feet to the runway. You descend gradually. A pre-sleep routine should do the same for your body. Transition it from alertness to rest. And here are just a few science-backed steps you could try tonight to help build a winning pre-sleep routine. Number 1, dim the lights 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Low light cues melatonin production, your body's sleep hormone. Secondly, shut off electronics or at least minimize blue light exposure. Even short exposure to blue light can suppress melatonin by up to 23%. Thirdly, cool the room. Ideal sleep temperature is around 18 degrees Celsius. Number 4, avoid late meals and alcohol. Both can disrupt deep sleep and REM sleep. And 5, wind down intentionally. Reading, taking a bath, gentle stretching, meditation, prayer, or deep breathing, they signal safety to your nervous system, which is essential for better sleep. I would recommend you try a multitude of these wind down activities until you find the combination that works best for you. Small steps make a big difference. It's about consistency, not perfection. The 4th method we can use to help sleep better is to calm the mind with our ABC 123 stress buster. If your mind spins before bed, it's because your stress response hasn't shut off yet. Your body is still producing cortisol, that stay awake hormone. And that's where a quick tool I teach called the ABC Stress Buster can help. Here's a quick 30-second version of that. A, acknowledge what you're feeling and try to label it. I feel scared, for example. B, Breathe slowly. Again, try a breathing activity like 4-7-8 breathing. And simply put, all you got to do with this one is inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7, exhale for 8. Letter C, choose a calming action. Maybe write a gratitude note or do a gentle stretch. Then count 1, 2, 3. That's a mental cue that says, I've done what I can today, the day is over, and I deserve to rest. It's simple but powerful. It tells your brain we're safe to rest now. The ABC 1, 2, 3 technique helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of the nervous system that helps us relax. Apply the DGW filter before bed. Before you decide how to spend your last 30 minutes of the day, try running it through what I call the DGW filter. Ask yourself, does this activity help me decompress or is it a distraction? Does it help me grow? And does it connect to my why? When possible, we want to select actions and behaviors that line up with our values and our why. Remember, distractions cause us to temporarily forget the life we are living, while why-based actions help us to create the life we want to live. Choosing activities in alignment with what we value and what's important to us helps us to increase our peace of mind. And feeling more peaceful in life can directly increase how well we sleep. Over time, this filter turns your pre-sleep routine into a ritual of self-care rather than doom scrolling. It's one of the simplest ways to align your nightly habits with your bigger wellness goals. Here's my challenge for you tonight. Pick one small change, maybe dimming the lights or leaving your phone outside the bedroom or trying the ABC 1, 2, 3 reset. Do it for 3 nights in a row. Notice how you feel, not just how long you sleep, but how you wake up. Good sleep isn't an accident. It's the result of intentional choices made before your head hits the pillow. Sleep is the foundation to our overall wellness. It's where recovery, healing, and resilience begin. When you take time to prepare your body and mind for rest, you're telling yourself that you matter, that your health deserves intention. If you found this helpful, leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure to get subscribed and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. I'll see you in the next one.